Hello everyone, today I'm introducing the cordless brush cutter, Einhell AGILLO 36V, a powerful and versatile tool for maintaining your garden. Ideal for amateurs and gardeners alike. For seasoned gardeners, it has the durability, battery life, and user comfort to provide you with an optimal brush cutting experience. Einhell is a German brand known for its high-quality gardening and DIY tools. With their power exchange system, they offer a range of cordless tools that use interchangeable batteries, making your outdoor work easier. This concept helps reduce the number of batteries and chargers needed while maximizing compatibility among the different tools from the brand. Whether you have tall grass, brambles, or borders to maintain, the Einhell AGILLO 36V brush cutter is designed to meet your needs. It combines performance, maneuverability, and user comfort for effective garden maintenance. Unlike gas models, it allows for clean brush cutting, with no harmful emissions and a reduced noise level, making it an ideal alternative for home or semi-professional use. This brush cutter features an ergonomic design with an adjustable double handle, like a bicycle handlebar, ensuring a comfortable grip. My lightweight aluminum handle reduces fatigue during long working sessions, and the separable shaft makes it easy to transport and store. Plus, the premium carrying strap distributes the weight optimally, allowing for extended use without discomfort. Its balance is designed to reduce strain on your arms and back, even after intensive use. Equipped with a brushless motor, this brush cutter ensures consistent power and a long lifespan with minimal maintenance. It runs on two 18V batteries from the power exchange system, providing a total voltage of 36V for enhanced performance and improved battery life. It has adjustable speed thanks to the electronic speed controller, allowing it to adapt to different tasks from simple mowing for a more intense cut. It comes with a high-quality 3-tooth blade for dense brush and a spool of monofilament line for grasses. Finer ones that allow it to adapt to all situations. The shaft locking system ensures quick and easy changes, cutting accessories that make maintenance easier and allow for switching between different types of cuts. In tests, the Einhell AGILLO demonstrated remarkable efficiency. It easily cuts through tall trees and thick brush. Users appreciate its lightweight design and low noise level compared to gas models, making the experience more enjoyable and less tiring. The battery life allows for about 30 minutes of work depending on how intensely you use it, which is enough for most private gardens. For larger areas, it's recommended to have an extra battery set to extend your working time without interruptions. Its well-distributed weight and included harness provide optimal comfort during use, reducing muscle tension. Compared to gas brush cutters, the Einhell AGILLO offers several notable advantages. It's lighter, quieter, and doesn't produce any harmful emissions, which is great for both the user and the environment. Plus, the lack of an electric cord gives you a nice freedom of movement, especially on rough terrain or far from power sources. Unlike the gas model, which requires regular maintenance and fuel, this brush cutter is ready to go right out of the box. Some users note that even though the spool is monofilament, the power of the device more than makes up for it, allowing for effective cutting even in tough conditions. Its brushless motor ensures a smooth power transmission without any loss of efficiency. In summary, the cordless brush cutter, the Einhell AGILLO 36V is an excellent choice for those looking for a high-performing and eco-friendly alternative to gas models. Its well-thought-out design, power, and ease of use make it a must-have tool, essential for maintaining your garden. Easy to transport, store, and use, it's suitable for a variety of tasks, from regular edging maintenance to more demanding brush cutting. Don't forget to check the link in the description for more information or to get one for yourself. Leave a comment to share your thoughts, like the video, and of course, subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.